A formula used to calculate lighting efficiency is E equals I over D squared. Change the subject of this formula to D. Okay, the main problem with this is that we have D squared on the bottom on the denominator. How can we deal with that? Well, one thing we could do is times both sides by D squared. So we have E times D squared equals I over D squared times D squared. So if we look at the right hand side of the equation, we have D squared on the top and D squared on the bottom, so they'll cancel out nicely. So what have we got now? We'll get E D squared equals I. Okay, so we'll leave this squared for the moment. Let's focus on the E. So it's effectively E times D squared. What's the opposite of times? It's divide. So let's divide both sides by E to get rid of that E on the left hand side. So we'll divide by E and divide by E. So on the left hand side the E's to cancel. So we're left with D squared equals I over E. To get rid of the squared, all we do is square root both sides. And the square root of D squared is just D. Square root of I over E. So our final answer is D equals the square root of I over E.